Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Elastic Cloud API key setup, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing with your Elastic Cloud API key, first, navigate to the Elastic Cloud website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the API section within the dashboard. Click on the API keys option to proceed. In this section, you'll see options to create a new API key. Select Create API Key. Enter a name or a description for your API key to help identify its purpose. After naming your key, click on the Create button. Upon successful creation, a pop-up will display your new API key. Make sure to copy the API key immediately, as you won't be able to see it again. Store this API key securely, as it grants access to your Elastic Cloud account. Next, open your terminal or command prompt to proceed with the configuration. Now, you will need to set the API key in your environment. You can do this by executing the following command. Depending on your operating system, you may use either export or set command. For Unix-based systems, type export elastic_cloud_API_key equals your _API_key_ here. For Windows systems, type set elastic_cloud_API_key equals your _API_key_ here. Replace your _API_key_ here with the actual API key you copied. To verify that the API key is set correctly, use the command echo $elastic_cloud_API_key for Unix-based systems. For Windows, type echo $elastic_cloud_API_key%. If the key is displayed correctly, your API key setup is successful. You can now use this API key to authenticate your requests to Elastic Cloud services. Be sure to check the API documentation for specific request formats and endpoints. Once you've done that, you're ready to start using your Elastic Cloud with the newly authorized API key. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.